Today I made my family some creamy chicken noodle soup in the slow cooker. This is what you need. So to make it, you need a chicken breast or two in your slow cooker, fresh or frozen. I have about a fourth of a cup of chopped onion. I am also going to be adding some chopped garlic to my slow cooker. I have about 3 or 4 cubes of garlic. They were pre-chopped and frozen. Also have some carrots and celery that I'm going to add in, and then some seasonings. I have some salt, also have some black pepper, and I also have Italian seasoning and paprika. I'm doing about a fourth of a teaspoon of each. Definitely take it easy on the salt because we are also adding chicken broth in there as well. To cook this, we're just going to cover this after we pour our chicken broth on, and we're going to cook it on high for 4 hours or low for 6 to 8 hours. After we get our chicken broth poured in, we're just going to mix it up, cover it, and cook it for the amount of time we want. And this is what it looks like when we're done. It is nice and fresh, and it makes your house smell amazing. All we need to do now is just chop up our chicken or shred it up. I just use this little chicken shredder, and then we're just adding some heavy cream. That's what makes it creamy. Add as much as you like. I'm adding about a fourth of a cup, and this is what it looks like. You guys, it is so good. It's incredible how much heavy cream makes a difference. It makes it so much better. So I'm going to be using this pasta today. This is my kids' favorite pasta when I make chicken noodle soup. And I always keep my pasta separate from my broth because I find it makes the noodles super soggy and it soaks up all the broth, and it just doesn't reheat good the next day. I don't like it. So I keep it separate. And then we just put as much broth and meat and veggies as we want in our soup. And so this is how we served it. I served it with some BLTs, and that was it. It was so delicious, you guys. This lasts a couple days. Give it a try.